3-in-1 versatile cooking functions: bake, broil and a toast, all in a mini compact toaster oven to fit your daily cooking needs. Space saver with 2-rack capacity. The compact and versatile design of COMFEE countertop toaster oven can fit nicely in any small spaces when counter space is limited with comfort, stretch and articulated knees. 2 rack levels make toaster oven's countertop holds 2 to 4 slices of bread, 9 pizza, enough for a family. Easy to use built-in timer. The 30-minute timer includes precise toast shade preference and stay-on feature for longer baking tasks. This compact toaster oven has simple controls that are straightforward and easy to use. Wide temperature range. Intuitive operation dials 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit lets you cook with the convenience of different type of foods. 2 easy-to-use dials can not only let you set your preferred cooking time, but also make you easy to control temperature and cooking modes. 3 useful accessories. Easy to clean. Small toaster oven's countertop comes with 3 accessories: non-stick baking rack, baking pan and detachable crumb tray, allows for effortless cleaning. 1-year-long warranty. 1-year warranty. A lifetime technical consultation. All problems with your toaster oven will be solved professionally. Top reviews from the United States. Best oven I've ever owned. Tamura approved. I freaking love this oven. It's amazing. I am so happy I bought this. It's able to make so many things. I baked popcorn chicken. I made delicious fish sticks. I made scrumptious Dion nuggets and TBH that were perfect better than a conventional. I am so flipping happy with this oven. This oven, for My Hero Academia fans, is my Paranormal Librarian front approved. King Tamura Shigaraki approved. Gets hot AF, so I only have things on top of it that will not be affected or hurt by high heat. Also keeping stuff away from the oven a safe distance. My ceramic cup with knives is a safe distance, did not get hot, it's about a half a foot away. Please keep in mind I always watch my oven when it's in use and always clean the pan after. It's made a mini pizza delectable, just addin' my own cheese. It even has recipes.